Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever had a great shave ruined by dull blades, or struggled with finding the right replacement heads for your Philips Norelco head shaver, you know how frustrating it can be. That's why today, we're diving into the Philips Norelco genuine head shaver replacement heads. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned user, these replacement heads might just be what you've been looking for. But do they truly live up to the hype? Let's find out. Now, before we get started, if you're enjoying these in-depth beauty and grooming reviews, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. So what exactly are we looking at here? The Philips Norelco Genuine Head Shaver Replacement Heads are designed for use with the Philips Norelco Head Shaver Pro, including models HS5980, HS7980, and HS9980. These heads feature the brand's ComfortCut technology, which promises a clean, smooth shave that's gentle on the skin. What's more, the blades are crafted from Swedish surgical-grade steel, known for its resistance to corrosion and durability. But let's be real, replacement heads are often a bit of an afterthought. How often do we really pay attention to the small details when it comes to shaving tools? The reality is that these heads can make all the difference in terms of both performance and comfort. So let's see how they really perform in everyday use. I've had a chance to use these heads over the past few weeks, and I'll be honest, they've impressed me. Swapping them in was a breeze, and they fit perfectly into the shaver handles I tested them with. The ComfortCut blades glide over the skin effortlessly, leaving a smooth, even finish every time. There's no irritation or pulling, which is a big plus, especially for those with sensitive skin. I've used these in both the morning rush and during my more leisurely weekend grooming sessions, and they've delivered a consistently close shave with minimal effort. One of the standout features for me is the anti-corrosion shaving system. This is particularly important for anyone who uses their shaver frequently or in wet conditions. The blade's ability to resist corrosion means they stay sharp for longer, and you won't have to worry about them losing their edge over time. The fact that they're made from surgical-grade steel gives them a level of durability that you don't always find in replacement heads, especially at this price point. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: comfortable shave. The ComfortCut blades truly live up to their name. They provide a gentle yet efficient shave that's smooth and even. Durability. Made from surgical-grade Swedish steel, these blades resist corrosion, which ensures they last longer and continue to deliver performance. Easy to use. Replacing the heads is straightforward, and they fit perfectly with the Philips Norelco Head Shaver Pro handles. Value. With 4 replacement heads in the set, you're getting great longevity. Each head lasts up to 6 months. Cons. Price. While not outrageous, these replacement heads are on the pricier side. They're an investment, especially if you need to replace them regularly. Compatibility. These heads are only compatible with the specific Philips Norelco Head Shaver Pro models, so if you don't own one of those, you'll need to look elsewhere. Now, as for value for money, this set provides excellent longevity, with each head lasting up to 6 months, making the overall cost a bit more reasonable when you break it down. It's definitely a higher-end option, but if you're someone who values a smooth shave with minimal skin irritation, the quality of these blades justifies the investment. When comparing these to other replacement heads on the market, you'll find that there are cheaper options, but they don't always offer the same level of performance or durability. In terms of shaving comfort, these heads are a step above many budget alternatives, especially when you factor in the anti-corrosion technology and the surgical-grade steel. The build quality of the Philips Norelco Head Shaver Replacement heads is top-notch. The surgical-grade steel construction is not just a marketing buzzword. It really enhances the overall longevity of these blades. They're designed to withstand frequent use and exposure to moisture without rusting, so you can rely on them to perform consistently over time. Now, mid-review moment. If you're finding this review helpful, please do give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any more honest reviews like this. Plus, if you're ready to grab these replacement heads, the link is in the comments. I haven't personally had any interactions with customer service for this particular product, but Philips Norelco is known for providing solid customer support should you ever run into any issues. As far as product updates go, there hasn't been any major reformulation or redesign of the replacement heads recently. However, I'll keep an eye on this in case any changes come through, especially given how often brands like Philips update their product lines. If the price of these heads feels a bit high for you, there are some alternatives available from brands like Braun or Remington. These can often be found at a lower price point, but again, they may not have the same level of durability or smooth performance. If you're looking for a balance of performance and cost, some of these alternatives might be worth considering. To sum up, the Philips Norelco Genuine Head Shaver Replacement Heads are a solid investment for anyone who uses a Philips Norelco Head Shaver Pro. They offer a smooth, comfortable shave, great durability, and reliable performance. Yes, they're a bit pricier, but if you're after a quality product that will last, these heads definitely fit the bill. If you've tried these replacement heads, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment below and let us know how they've worked for you. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.